Presenting the ASUS VivoBook 14. It comes with up to 12 GB memory, 8 GB, 4 GB onboard plus 4 GB SO-DIMM, DDR4 3200 MHz and storage, 256 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD with 1x 2.5-inch SATA slot for HDD/SSD storage. It has 82% screen-to-body ratio and display, 14-inch LED backlit LCD, Full HD 16:9, 220 nits, nano edge bezel. It comes with up to 6 hours battery life, 37 WHRS, 2-cell Li-ion battery, and note, battery life depends on conditions of usage. It features built-in speaker, built-in microphone and 1x 3.5mm combo audio jack. It also features nano edge bezels and anti-glare plane with 45% NTSC. It also features 2x USB 2.0 Type A, Wi-Fi 5, 800 2.11 AC and I/O ports, 1x HDMI 1.4, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A and 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C. The delivery box contains laptop, adapter, and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.